So, should I upgrade my game room with some new furnitures?
I guess Sony may have the answer for it, so let's just roll the intro. What is up, all you beautiful people on the interwebs? I'm Redrix as always, and today we'll be talking about the official licensed PlayStation furniture. But before we begin, I just want to ask you guys, would you like to be featured in my next video? Just be sure to be subscribed to this channel and ring the bell and then type Notification Squad Army or Team or whatsoever, and then I'll pick a random comment to be featured in my next video. So today's notifications shoutout goes to, well, you're awesome. So yeah man, congrats, and let's just leave that name there for a sec. Alright, let's get on with the video. So I've been searching around the interwebs for some news about PlayStation, about the PSN name and so on. And then I came across about they have been officially licensed PlayStation furnitures. And I think for some it looks cool and others are like, yeah, it's not for me. So I'll just move right here and then you'll see the furnitures for yourself. So yeah, it looks like this. So let me know in the comments down below on what you would like to have or buy or wish. It's almost Christmas and I'm not pretty sure on when the release date is for all of these furnitures, since the news has been out for a couple of days. If you would like to read more about it, like prices and so on, I will put the link down below. So as I said, it's going to be a short video today because I'm like, oh my god, PlayStation furnitures, woo! So be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you'll be one of the first to see my videos. And join the Notification Squad Army. So until then, I'll see you again next time and have a great day. Bye!